Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Learn English with Mark and Anna.
Hi, everyone. I'm Anna. It's great to be here again.
How are you today, Anna?
I'm good, thank you. I'm a little tired, but happy,
Why tired?
because I had a busy day. I packed my suitcase.
Oh, so you're traveling?
Yes, I'm flying tomorrow.
That's great. Then today's topic is perfect.
Really? What is it?
Today we're talking about English for travel at the airport, hotel, and taxi.
Wow, that's exactly what I need.
Let's start at the airport. Anna, do you like airports?
I like them, but they make me a little nervous.
That's normal. Airports can be busy, but if you know some English phrases, everything becomes easier.
Great, let's learn.
Okay. First, when you arrive at the airport, you go to check in.
Check in. Got it.
The airline staff will say, "Hello, can I see your passport and ticket, please?"
And I say, here you are.
Perfect. Then they may ask, "Do you have any luggage to check in?"
What does that mean?
It means, do you have a big bag that goes on the airplane, not with you?
Oh, yes. So I say, yes, I have one bag.
Exactly. They might ask, "Did you pack your bag yourself?"
Oh, I've heard that before.
Yes. And you say, "Yes, I did."
Simple.
Then they give you a boarding pass.
Boarding pass. That's the paper with my seat number, right?
Right. It shows your gate and your seat. For example, gate 12, seat 15A.
Got it.
After that, you go through security check.
That's where I put my bag and shoes on the belt, right?
Exactly. And the officer may say, "Please take off your jacket," or "Put your phone in the tray."
Okay. I know those now.
Then you wait near your gate until they say, "Now boarding."
Now boarding means time to get on the plane.
Exactly. And at the gate, the staff will ask, "Can I see your boarding pass, please?" You say, "Here you go."
So polite.
On the plane, the flight attendant may say, "Would you like something to drink?"
Oh, I can answer, yes, orange juice, please.
Perfect. Or, "Water, please."
Easy. What if I want food on the plane?
You can say, "What do you have?" Or, "Can I see the menu?"
Okay.
They might say, "Chicken or pasta."
I'll say chicken, please.
I like that.
What if I need something, like a blanket?
You can say, "Excuse me, can I have a blanket, please?"
Or can I have some water, please?
Perfect manners, Anna.
What about when the plane lands?
You'll hear, "Please remain seated until the seatbelt sign is off."
That means I have to wait before I stand up.
Exactly. Then you take your hand luggage and go to immigration.
Immigration is where they check my passport, right?
Right. The officer may ask, "What is the purpose of your visit?"
What should I say?
If you are traveling for fun, you can say, "I'm here for vacation."
Or I'm here for business.
Yes. Then they may ask, "How long will you stay?"
I'll stay for 5 days.
Excellent. They might also ask, "Where will you stay?"
I will stay at the Sunshine Hotel.
Perfect answer.
After immigration, I go to get my bag.
Yes, the baggage claim area.
Oh, yes. I wait for my suitcase.
Right. Sometimes your bag looks similar to others, so you can say, "Excuse me, is this your bag?"
That's polite. I'll remember it.
Now, you have your bag. What's next?
I take a taxi to the hotel.
Great. Let's practice that. At the taxi stand, the driver might ask, "Where are you going?"
To the Sunshine Hotel, please.
Perfect.
What if I want to know the price?
You can say, "How much is it to the Sunshine Hotel?"
How much is it? Got it.
The driver may say, around 300 pesos.
Okay. I can say, that's fine, thank you.
During the ride, you might want to chat. You can ask, how long does it take?
It takes about 20 minutes.
Excellent. Or the driver might ask, is this your first time in Davao?
I can say, yes, it's my first time. It's beautiful here.
Perfect small talk. Now, you arrive at the hotel. The receptionist greets you, good evening, welcome to the Sunshine Hotel. How can I help you?
I say, I have a reservation. My name is Anna Lopez.
Excellent. They may ask, can I see your passport, please?
I say, sure, here you are.
Then they might say, please fill out this form.
Oh, yes, I've seen that. I write my name, address, and phone number.
Exactly. After that, they'll say, here is your room key.
Or your room number is 205.
Yes. And maybe breakfast is from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m.
Oh, I love hotel breakfast.
Me too.
What if I need Wi-Fi?
You can ask, what's the Wi-Fi password, please?
Easy.
Or if you need something, you can call reception and say, hello, this is room 205. Can I have an extra towel, please?
Perfect.
Now, let's imagine it's morning now. You go to the hotel restaurant.
I'm hungry already.
Okay, the waiter might say, good morning. Would you like coffee or tea?
Coffee, please.
Then they ask, would you like some toast or eggs?
Toast and eggs, please.
Excellent. You can also ask, do you have fruit juice?
Or can I have water, please?
Perfect manners, Anna.
What if I finish my food?
You can say, thank you. That was delicious.
I like that.
Now, you want to explore the city. How can you ask for help?
I can say, excuse me, where's the nearest bus stop?
Perfect. Or, how can I get to the city center?
And if I don't understand, I can say, can you please repeat that?
Exactly. That's polite and useful.
What about directions?
You might hear, go straight ahead, or turn left at the corner.
Or it's next to the bank.
Exactly. You're learning fast.
I think I'll get hungry again. Let's go to a restaurant.
Sure. The waiter says, good evening, table for one.
Yes, please.
Then they bring the menu. You can ask, what do you recommend?
What do you recommend? That's a nice question.
They might say, the grilled chicken is very popular.
Okay.
I'll have the grilled chicken, please. Good. When you finish, you can say, can I have the bill, please?
Or check, please.
Perfect.
I want to be friendly. How can I talk with local people?
You can start with simple things. Hi, how are you? Or, it's a nice day.
Or, the food here is great.
Yes, people love compliments.
And if I don't understand something, I can say, sorry, I don't understand. Can you say that slowly? That's perfect. Always polite, always simple.
Now, it's the last day. You go to the reception. The staff says, good morning. Are you checking out?
Yes, I'm checking out. Here is my key.
Then they may ask, did you take anything from the minibar?
No, I didn't.
Good answer.
And then I pay and say, thank you. I had a nice stay.
Exactly. Now it's time to go home. You need a taxi again.
I can call the hotel and say, can you call a taxi for me, please?
Yes, perfect. When the taxi arrives, the driver might say, good morning. Where to?
To the airport, please.
The driver might ask, which terminal?
Terminal 2, please.
Excellent.
And at the airport, I can say, thank you very much.
And maybe keep the change.
Oh, that's nice.
Now, let's review, Anna. What did we learn today?
Okay. At the airport, can I see your passport? Here you are. Do you have any luggage? Yes. One bag.
Good. And on the plane?
Can I have water, please? Chicken or pasta?
At immigration?
I'm here for vacation. I'll stay for 5 days.
In the taxi?
How much is it to the hotel? How long does it take?
At the hotel?
I have a reservation. What's the Wi-Fi password?
In the restaurant?
What do you recommend? Can I have the bill, please?
Perfect. Now, listeners, here's your challenge.
Oh, I love challenges.
Okay, imagine you are traveling.